Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange home screen in the OPPO F23. So if you want to open the home screen, just hold the finger on it and you can see there are a few options to edit, like a wallpaper. Just choose your favorite one and click on the apply button. That's it. The next one, icons, to change the design of your icons on your home screen. You can choose the shape for it, the size of the foreground, size for the icons. Choose the match popular colors feature, and now we have a design with the wallpaper color. You can also disable or enable the show apps names and change the size of the name of the bottom of the icons. And how you can see, now we have a new shape of the icons. Okay, the next one, just choose the widget, hold the finger on it and select the place for it on the home screen. If you want to remove that, just hold the finger on it again and choose remove the widget. That's it. The layout is when you want to change the amount of the application in the rows and in the columns. And the last one, transition, is the effect when you're swiping the pages, so choose your favorite one and click apply. Click done, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.